perception. That thing in which you use your eyes to view the world. How you view your world. How you see the things around you. How you perceive existence in front of you. That thing that exists within the realm of sight of human existence. Anyway, so we've got this game called Perception right here, and whilst this game is called Perception, funnily enough, it doesn't really involve your sight. It revolves around hearing, or at least sounds, and not so much sight, because it uses the idea of echolocation. So it kind of is sight, but in a sound sense. So I don't even know when this was released, but I've been wanting to play it for so incredibly long, and it's 2026 now, so might as well play it now. So let's go ahead and play a new game, which is Chatty Cassie's. I'd get to know my character. Cassie will talk a fair amount. I prefer my character on the quiet side. Cassie will only speak for plot critical. Interesting. Because on one hand, I wouldn't mind the silent night, as it would get like atmospherical, and I would be able to sort of like get immersed. But I would also like to get to know my character, you know, the substance. So having depth to the game, I kind of wish I had, you know, a bit of both. But I mean, it says recommended, so I might as well just go for the recommended one, I guess. Story, spooky. Okay. Experience the ghost story of Echo Bluff, free of significant danger, for narrative enthusiasts and explorers. A mix of story and danger. The original version of the game, Dying, brings you to the entrance to Echo Bluff with all your progress intact. For people who enjoy a bit of risk, enemies are much more aggressive. Dying brings you to the main menu. For those who do enjoy... I mean... the original version of the game. I want to go for the original. So, yes, spooky.
When you're blind, you learn a thing or two about trust. You learn who to trust.
Creepy Cassie. Never gonna find us.
Immediately.
You learn what to trust.
Focus, Cassie. What's this sound?
A fan.
Good. Now, what's in front of the fan?
I don't know.
Cassie, sounds are how we see. Listen. Tap your cane.
It's a coffee mug.
Right. Excellent. Though you are without sight, it does not mean you cannot see.
And most importantly, you learn to trust yourself. Even if that means hopping on the first flight to Boston to find the mansion from your nightmares. I don't know why I've been having these dreams for months now, and I certainly don't know what's waiting for me at Echo Bluff. But I do know I can't take much more of the torment. So I'm trusting myself to get to the bottom of it.
You know, I've always thought that echolocation type horror games are pretty cool. Though, I can't say that they're personally my favorite, because, you know, I actually enjoy being able to see, but it's still a unique way of telling the story, which I really, really like.
considering you're boarding and I'm at the door, we're both past the point of no return here.
Hang out at the cafe for a few hours. I'll be there soon.
I'm tired of being told what I can't do. I want answers. I want sleep. I want my life back. And I want to prove I can do this.
Knock knock.
Hello? I know nobody's there, but I'm just doing my due diligence. Hello? Probably should have worked out a plan if someone is, here.
They're right back, hey?
In my dreams, I always see a rope, a ticket, an apple, and an axe. Maybe start there?
So wait, ticket, apple, and axe. That's what you said, right? So this one's gonna be on the more narrative side of the journey. Because recently I played an atmospheric horror game called Narcosis, and I think these games are released relatively at the same time-ish, I think. And yeah, Narcosis was very atmospheric, but then the narrative side kind of lacked a little bit. Well, not saying that there was no narrative, but there was a narrative. Just, it was a very confusing narrative. But this one actually feels like it's got more of a coherent narrative. At least that's what it seems to me anyway. Plus, I like being able to sort of look around a lot, and in Narcosis, the controls are a little bit limited. Not a bad thing, because it's nice to have limited controls sometimes, just can be a little bit annoying in some situations. I don't want to use it too much, though I guess it's fine for now, because it said about being in danger, which means monsters, which means...
Deep breaths, Cassie. You're here for a reason.
Which means once the monsters or the enemies arrive, I can no longer use it frequently as I do. Have to use it sparingly.
Dearest Richard, happy anniversary, my love. What a perfect way to begin our 10th year together. New house, new baby on the way. I know this fresh start is the perfect way to complete our family. Felicia.
Okay, so...
What was that?
Oh, okay.
A memory?
Immediately? Already? Okay. I guess it's fine now. Got a fireplace here. I guess it was just for a tiny scare, I guess. Play.
Felicia's pregnancy suits her. She glows. She walks around holding her tummy. Sometimes she just smiles for no reason. I was worried about the solitude of this place, but I think the impending addition is going to be her whole world. Until then, I just need to keep a batch of chocolate chip cookies on hand at all times. It appears cravings aren't just a wives' tale.
Okay, so we go this way as well. And yeah, once again, I don't want to use it as frequent as I am. Oh. We're back at the beginning. At least I think we're back at the beginning. I actually can't really tell, but you know what? Landmarks and memories appearing... So would landmarks be like checkpoints? Oh, game saved. Oh, okay. Thank you very much,
What was
game.
that?
6. Okay. That's actually pretty cool.
Hello?
This is a bad idea. Okay, good.
Hello?
This kind of reminds me a little bit of Layers of Fear. Wait, let me guess. Never mind, I thought I was moving.
Now, Cassie, that music box belongs to St. Joseph's, not to Cassie Thornton. Put it back.
I need a music box to help me fall asleep. It's a new house. I'm scared to go. But I love this song. Okay. Fine. I'll leave it for the next girl.
Well, I appreciate you.
Wish I'd left that one buried in the backyard. What brought that back?
Being pushed over, I guess.
There it is, the rope.
The rope. Oh, the rope, okay.
I've always loved this agate's healing properties, but last week when I had a stomachache, I went to touch it and it was hot. The stone wasn't in the sunlight or by a heater, and the stones around it were cool to the touch. What really worries me is that it's a protection stone.
For some reason, part of the music reminded me of a Delta rune. Okay, touch rope.
I don't understand. This is the rope. The same damn rope from my dreams. What the hell does it mean? Damn. Guess I still have some digging around to do.
Wish I'd left that one buried in the backyard.
What do you mean no need to hide? There's literally a need to fucking hide.
Was not an echo.
Hide? Yeah, what? Okay, another save, okay. Yeah, what the fuck did you mean, like, there's no need to hide? There's always a need to hide, like, even from nothing. Like, maybe you just want to hide away from the world because you're too scared to face anything in the world. See, there's always a reason. Oh my god. Okay, so that door just, either closed up or locked up. Okay, I hope that we're not going to be, stuck in here. I mean, so far, apart from the visual aspect, as in the lack thereof sometimes, I like this one. I like this one. And depending on how it goes throughout the game, I might actually complete this one. Not like complete, but like at least finish the story, because I'm not really much of a completionist. Depending on the game, if I'm like obsessed with the game, then I might be a completionist, but most times I'm not really much of a completionist. So I'll just finish off the story if I can at least. Oh, window. But what does the sound of the wind make? No, that was such a... Examine. Tree.
Was that tree in my dreams and I just forgot?
It's easy to forget a tree in your dreams. Trees are insignificant.
What the hell?
Trees don't even have feelings.
Who's here?
Fireplace? Is that you? Oh, wait, never mind, okay. Wait. I came from over there. Maybe over here? Okay, never mind, so maybe it's over here. Oh, okay. Hi? I don't exactly want to go near you.
Actual ghosts.
Should I go near you, or should I hide? Should I stay or should I go? Okay, that answers my question. Okay.
Honey, can you grab the pills you prescribed me for morning sickness? I left my purse in the car.
Yeah, sure. I'll grab him. Jesus.
Wow, none of them. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. We're at the up the stairs now. Oh, another. Okay, so yeah, that's where we're trying to go at least, I think. Okay. This looks like a catwalk. Okay, so that's what they.
Imagining things, Cass.
Don't tell me to run unless there's like an actual threat. Well, there's bound to be an actual threat at some point, though. Is there gonna be an actual threat? Oh no, that's just an owl or bird. Well, we're in the garage. Not. Okay, sure. Oh, okay.
Richard makes fun of me for it, but I hate the dirt here. There are no worms, for goodness sake. Oh, no wonder my little seedlings aren't taking root. Tomorrow I'll head down to a bait shop and see if some night crawlers do the trick.
Yeah, a lot of this really does remind me a lot of Layers of Fear. Not to say that that's a bad thing at all. It's just, it's got that same type of, like, storytelling where you pick up an item and it sort of gives you dialogue on what happened around the item in the past. And because I'm, like, a very visual guy, I don't... It's hard for me to follow something that's like purely dialogue and audio based. So again, not to say that it's a bad thing. It's just not really my preferred way of intaking the story. Open door. Well. Oh, okay. Scan with Delphi. What?
Delphi. Text-to-speech.
Patient, Briar, Felicia. 20 milligrams fluoxetine, tabs. Instructions, take twice daily with water. Dr. Richard Briar.
What kind of doctor prescribes to his own wife?
Yeah. Interesting. So is that all we needed from the garage? I suppose so. Never mind.
New
Okay.
text message from Serge.
Hey, about to board. What's up? Not angry, just concerned.
Look, I need answers. I just got here and this shit's messed up. I'm onto something. And I'm starting to think I'm having these nightmares for a reason.
Message sent.
Thank you, I guess. So that's where I need to go next. Do I need to go? I assume I gotta go around.
Different.
Yep, it's changing around you.
That thing was in the garage again. With the baby sitting on my bladder, it took all my self-control not to wet myself. My nerves are shot. I need some tea.
I feel like this game is trying to be like Layers of Fear, but just different. Again, like, nothing bad about that, just... because I'm getting so much of...
I'll be out in a bit. Just leave it on the bar, honey. Thank you.
Because I feel like I'm getting a lot of Layers of Fear from this, it's kind of rekindling this sort of feeling I get from Layers of Fear, which is like... like, I like this. It's just a little hard for me to intake the story as it is. I think it's the type of... I feel like, at least for me, it's the type of story that needs, like, going through 2 times, and you won't be able to get all of it in, like, one go. That's what I feel like this type of story is. But, okay.
Super.
Super.
I'm done running ghost errands. I can get back to the snooping.
You could say snooper. Okay, so we're gonna go this way. I'm glad that we've got those sort of like a point of interest. Otherwise I would be lost forever.
Hate fire.
She's so perfect. It's almost like she's hard to look at. My eyes can't focus. I should probably tell Richard. I don't want to tell Richard.
Blue flame. Probably should not touch that. Hide? Oh, now we're able to hide. So this is what hiding is like, huh? Okay. But also, like, how are we gonna get to that side? Oh, door. Okay. Must be something. Okay.
Who is master of the world? Man or the insect? Nature's most existing creatures representing...
Sorry.
What the hell does a rope, a ticket, and a goddamn apple have to do with anything? Why that? Why those items?
Messages. Phone. Messages. Phone. Messages. Phone.
The fact I'm literally doing that by moving my mouse.
Messages. Phone. Messages.
Oh wait, phone.
Phone.
Wait, messages.
Messages.
Okay.
Messages. Michael. Hey there, Cass. Michael.
Oh, okay.
Hey there, Cass. I just got word you're heading to Massachusetts. That's quite the trip. Me, Pay Miller. Yep. I'm on the tarmac. Good times. Michael, really? Like just now? That's a pretty long flight. Why Massachusetts? Me, long indeed. But necessary. Sorry to be so cryptic, but it's important that I go. Michael, okay. If you ever need to email me again, I'll be waiting. Me, I'll bring you back some Boston cream pie and we'll get to those emails. Promise. Messages. Phone. Phone.
Phone. Phone. Oh, is that it?
Messages.
I guess I can't do anything with the phone then. Okay, I'm going literally right here. Okie dokie.
Let's see here. Dose 1, 50 milligrams of imipramine, along with 100 milligrams of morphine for pain. Patient is woozy but not hysterical. We'll maintain dosage tomorrow.
Another one? Yeah.
Dose 2. The imipramine has caused vomiting and patient's hysteria has returned. Moving forward with a combination of monoamine oxidase inhibitors and tricyclic antidepressants.
I will admit none of these words mean anything to me. I don't know what they mean, but okay. I'm in luck. Oh.
Okay, Dr. B. What interests you enough to use as a key code? Gotta poke around some.
Great. Wait, hang on there. I wonder, like, dose 1, dose 2. Would it have to, like, do with the order of the doses or something? Oh my goodness me. Okay, so that's creating noise. More over there, so that's from the radiator.
Don't know where it's coming from, but sometimes I see this thing. Don't know why, but I just have to paint it. Even if it's just to get it out of my periphery.
Okay, well... doesn't exactly help me with the code. Alright, we're going back outside. Scan. Okay, sure.
Delphi. Text-to-speech.
1. Some kind of woman.
Somehow connected to the tree. 2. Other people, seemingly unrelated. A 1940s housewife. Could this be Betty? Some man with a mustache? 3. That song. 4. The noises. 5. Misaligned chakras?
Was she having visions too?
Oh my.
Everything's fine now. I'm fine. Sandy's fine. Won't you come back and sleep with us, Richard? Daddy.
Well, I want to try out 1940. I want to try out 1940. Oh my.
Oh man, I suddenly don't feel so good.
Are we gonna like... Okay, we're fine now.
The patient is taken to seclusion and doesn't seem to understand her surroundings. This, I think, may be for the best. I will monitor this situation closely before making any more hasty decisions after last time. Still, she needs her medicine and she leaves her pills on her tray each night. She doesn't understand that she needs to get well for herself and for the baby. I must take matters into my own hands for both their sakes.
Matters into my own hands? That's not alpha male or anything.
Right, we can go upstairs. Is this even a good idea? Oh, okay, apparently it is a good idea. How do I... Oh, okay, go upstairs even more. Okay, so...
Delphi. Text-to-speech.
The only star I can really seem to hone in on is IC 2118. A fave, to be sure, but the stars are just wrong here. The worst part is that Felicia agrees.
I should try 2118 for that key code.
Okay, Cassie. Okay. It's not like I was going to try that fucking code anyway. It was either 1940 or it was going to be 2118. But thank you for spelling that out, I guess. Oh, there's a first step, okay. I could be really careful then.
Sleep with us, Danny. Sleep with us.
I will admit, I do appreciate the game kind of spelling things out for me. Only because I will admit it's a bit of a struggle to like play a story game with lacking visuals or There's not even a lack in visuals, because this has visuals. It's just the fact that like you need to create a sound in order to see and maneuver around the enemies. Right. Anyway, let's just input the code.
Just a shot in the dark, but I wonder if that star the
Yeah.
Shush.
Shush.
What was it again? Cha-ching.
I can't go in anymore.
Got the key from.
I know. My fingers fumble keys, and sometimes I'm a little slower than before, but you can't keep me prisoner in this house, in this body. I don't want any more pills.
I don't like where this is going.
I genuinely, I genuinely do apologize for saying this once again. It genuinely feels like I'm playing Layers of Fear, but at echolocation style. It genuinely feels like that, and on one hand, I don't really like that. Not to say that I don't like Layers of Fear, but I was not particularly. I've already said my piece about it anyway. I mean, kind of to shush. Wait, where do I need to go? Right. Is there any way to like shut this off? Maybe if I get like a valve. Maybe. Actually, wait. What the hell is this? Oh. Okay. You can hide on. Okay. Wait, why can't I? Oh wait, what the hell? Oh, okay, it's behind this door then. Oh, right, the door that I can go through, okay. Okay. I mean, at least these are distractions. Wait, what? Wait, where's that come? Oh, right. Yeah, I mean, at least they're distractions, but...
April 2nd. Patient is once again sedated and resting. Part of me wonders if the strange sounds around this house aren't just signs of its age. I'm frightened of this place and of my own wife. I spend most of my time in the turret telling Felicia I'm working and watching the baby. In reality, I'm cowering.
What's up being a coward? It's just jump scares, that's all they are, just jump scares. Okay, hide. We don't need to hide just yet, at least. What the hell is this? Oh, it's probably just like another memory. Okay.
Fine. It's from my favorite book growing up, The Princess and the Frog. My mom said she always caught me by old stinky ponds and wetlands looking for my future husband. But it wasn't about boys. I fell in love with nature and the sort of spirits that bind us. If a gem or an herb could facilitate a divine connection, why couldn't an animal have a beautiful soul?
I would have sculpted you a killer frog, Felicia.
Which means you never did. Which is kind of sad.
First the sagebrush, now this. How does malachite crack? It's supposed to protect me and the baby. How does a gem inside a silver setting just shatter like that?
Oh my goodness, okay. Hello? Is there like an actual threat yet, or there doesn't seem to be. I mean, we seem to be fine. Touch.
Have you come to play?
Oh, hell no.
Oh, hell no!
Oh, okay. Hi. For some reason I thought this was like activate another memory, but okay, so we're back here. And we'll grab that toy. Okay.
I planned on painting my own set of tarot cards when we moved in. Now I just can't seem to do it. The cards and their symbols seem to take a life of their own. I don't want to use them.
Wait, what the hell? Did I not pick something up? Well, thank you for telling me that now. Oh wait, pick up solid. Okay.
I know how to raise my baby. Give me the goddamn key to the playroom. Where is it? I don't need the pills anymore, and I don't need you watching my every move. Can't you tell? I haven't taken them in days.
No, I can't tell. Okay, we might need to hide now. We might need to hide. I think it's fine now. So we could go downstairs. Another radiate. What the hell was that? Okay. I'm just gonna go through and not worry about you. Okay, another. Oh my god, fire is no longer. I don't even know what you mean by that. Does that mean that there's no more enemies?
Keeping these, because at some point, we're gonna need to talk about this.
Okie dokie.
I don't understand. Is it Richard doing this? Or the house?
I don't know how he's doing it. I don't know how he's doing it. I don't know how he's doing it. I don't know how.
Okay. Explore for next. Oh, touch canvas.
I've taken none of his prescriptions. I still see it. I still see it. I still see it.
This feels like a story about like mental illness or like mental health, or you know, you using drugs to.
Is it about that tree? I feel it too.
Once again, the noises. It reminds me so much of Deltarune, Snowgrave roots to be specific. Actually, not just Deltarune. Oh, okay. Oh no, we've already grabbed that. Okay, open door. Yeah, I mean, I literally cannot with all of this stuff in the way.
Betty, why am I still seeing it?
Oh my. Well. Nothing to see. Oh, okay. Oh.
Hello?
Cold
Whoever you are, I'm not afraid of you. You hear me? You can't scare me. Get a hold of yourself, Cassie.
One person. What? Okay, would do I? Okay. Oh, okay.
No place else to hide.
Whoever you are, I'm not afraid of you. You hear me? You can't scare me.
I think the coast is clear.
You think? I mean, at least the door's now open. We already listened to this, right? Yeah, I think we did. Okay, so we'll go over there now. Oh, wait, hi. Oh, okay, you're gone now.
The baby is cold. I have to warm her. Cold babies need to be warmed.
Okay, thank you very much for telling me that.
No, not fire, not here. No, not the baby. Gotta move fast. I need a fire extinguisher.
I mean, I saw one before, I just don't know where that is. Okay, game, I get it. I'm making too much noise. Like, literally, I'm under urgency. What else do you expect me to fucking do? Like, literally. I'm under urgency, so shut the fuck up. Well, I'm about to die, aren't I? Because I'm making too much noise, right? But literally, this is an urgent matter. And I can't seem to find a fire extinguisher anywhere. Okay, I mean, sure. Found back a recording. Okay. Oh, okay, I guess that's just it. Oh.
Carter. I'm calling in with my weekly report. Check-in. I never know what to call these things. Things have been getting worse with my night terrors. I'm still waking up with this horrible feeling of being swallowed up by a suffocating darkness. To make matters worse, now when I wake up, I'm finding myself unable to move, and it's really difficult to breathe. I sense what is this old lady in the corner of the room.
I mean, why is there no subtitles for this?
Nothing but this pure evil, and she's there to drag me down into hell. I try to scream, but nothing comes out, and I finally snap out of it yelling like a madman. It scares Ashley half to death. Please call me back as soon as you can. I really need to talk to you. Thanks.
I think I'm actually sleepwalking more since I started taking the pills you prescribed. Most of it was innocent stuff, but 2 nights ago I showed up in my daughter's bedroom with a
Is this looping? I feel like that's looping. I do not know. And great, it's heard me again, right? Technically, I'm not even hurrying up anymore. Oh, here it is. It's so fucking far away.
Stop fucking with me.
When have I ever fucked around with you?
Serge, it's actually you.
In the flesh. It sounds like you can use a hand.
I have literal fire to put out.
Wait a minute, don't hang up.
I'll call you back.
The fuck? monsters come in, okay. Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm gonna be honest. I know that I said that I would like play the whole game of this, like finish the story, but I'm not even that interested in. I'm not even that invested in the story to even complete it. So I'm gonna have to call it here as well. Like, I wanted to check out this game alongside with Narcosis as well recently, and yeah, just wanted to check out these games. I didn't really read much about them. I just wanted to go into them blind, and now that I'm actually experiencing them, I think, yeah, not really gelling with them. So yeah, I'm just gonna leave it here. So thank you so much for watching, everybody. I hope you all enjoyed, and I will see you guys next time. Peace out, everybody.